Hey, in front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down to access additional settings. In them, tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher in order to activate it. When you're ready, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, you need to swipe up or simply click on this gray area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!